Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to break down on how to make $100 a day with Facebook ads. So before I get started, let me show you guys the numbers. So you can see it here, this is today's number, which is $350, 5 orders. Let me go to this month. So it's just 2nd of July, so let me go to last month. So you can see here, the last month we made $10,566, and let me go back to May. So the last 2 months we made $21,000 with this product, and let me show you guys how you can do this too. By far, this is the easiest way to scale your product to $100 a day in profit. Don't focus on getting sales, because if you're not making profits, it's useless. So let me explain how much I'm making with this product. So whenever it makes $500 to $600 in sales or overall sales, it makes me around $200 to $250 in profit per day. So right now you can see here, it's morning here, I'm in India. So so far it made $350. So in evening I'll get more sales, so it will be around, the profit will be around $200 to $250 per day, which is nice. Let me also show you guys the real numbers behind the $350 in sales. Let me go back to my ads manager. So let me go to today's number. So you can see it here, it spent $78. So let me remove the filters. So these are the active campaigns I have right now. So you can see it here, it spent $86 in ad spend, and it made $349 in overall sales. So right now, at this point, I should have made at least $150 in profit, pure profit, after all the expenses like PayPal fees, Shopify COGS, the AliExpress COGS, and the ad spend. And if you minus all those numbers, the profit will be around at least $100 to $200. So let me explain how am I doing this, and let me give you guys the exact strategy so you can replicate this in your business and you can make the same amount of money. So let me remove this. You can see here, do more of what's working. So mostly when you launch a product on Facebook ads, mostly you will be having 10 different ad sets, right? So out of 10 different ad sets, only you'll get 2 to 3 winners out of 10. So all you need to do is you need to keep on producing those winners again and again. So let me explain how I do it. So this is the exact method I follow. I duplicate the winning ad set. So you can see here, I duplicate winning ad set when ad set has 2 sales. So let me explain here. So when you launch 10 different ad sets on each campaign, like when you're testing, let's say you launch 5 different ad sets. So this is going to be your ad set, and this is going to be the campaign. So whenever you launch 10 different ad sets with 10 different interests, so after 24 hours, at least you're going to get 1 or 2 sales. So let's say this one and this one made a sale. So you will be turning off other ad sets, and so you're left with 2 different ad sets. So whenever an ad set crosses 2+ sales on lifetime, so you need to duplicate them. So you can see it here, when ad set crosses 2+ on sales, at least the ad set should make 2 sales. So you should duplicate the ad set 2, 3, or 5 times. It's totally dependent on your budget. I do 3 and 5, or sometimes I do test 2 and just let it run for 24 hours. And let me show you guys how to do this. So just go to your ads manager, and let me go inside this campaign. So so not this one. Let me go to lifetime. So you can see it here. So this one ad set made 2 sales. So what I'll be doing is I'll be duplicating this to 3 times. So let me click on duplicate, and see it here. Let me duplicate this 3 times and just click on duplicate. So it will create the same exact ad sets 3 different times. So you can see here, so I don't change anything, like I don't change the budget, I don't change the ad creative, I don't change any settings like 7-day window or anything. Just don't change anything, just leave it as it is, and just duplicate 3 times. So just click on review and publish, and let the ad sets run for 24 hours, and you'll get good results because it already performed here. So it will at least out of 3, 1 or 2 ads it will make sales. So sometime it won't make sales. That's why you need to do this every other day. You should not do this every single day, because if you do this every single day, then the ad sets, the Facebook algorithm won't perform well. So just do this every other day, and just note the success rate you're getting. Success rate means so out of 3, let's say 2 ad sets was making your sales. So out of 3 you got 2 winner, right? So that's 66% success rate. So whenever you get so you can keep on doing 3 duplication of this one, and even get 2 winning ad sets. So it's replicatable, so you can keep on doing the same thing. So like I said, you need to do what's working for you. So if ads is performing well on your ad account, just keep on duplicate the ad sets every other day. Just don't do on every day, because I tested that and that method is not working. That's the reason I'm suggesting you guys to do every other day. So success rate is very important. So if it's not working, just don't keep on duplicating the ad sets. So let's say you created 5 ad sets and you got 0 sales. So next day, like you need to let it run for 24 hours, and if 0 ad sets made any sales, that's 0% success rate, right? So you need to you should not duplicate 5 times. Just try 3 and 2. So the results might change. So this exact method works very well. So let's say you have 1 winning ad set, and you keep on duplicating the winning ad set every other day. So at the end of the week, you will be having 10-20 different at least 3 to 7 different ad sets which is making you sales. On overall, on lifetime, it's going to be profitable, and it's going to make you sales every single day. So let me also explain so you can see here, try different ad creatives. Sometime let's say the duplication is not working for you, so what you can do is just duplicate the winning ad set 2 different times, and just change the ad creative. Just don't change anything else, then just change the ad creatives. You can see here. Now, the reason why we are doing this is because we need to find the best match with the audience with the ad creative. So that's the main reason why we're doing this. And you can also do this. These 2 methods are the exact method which is going to take you to $100 a day in profit on Shopify dropshipping. So you don't have to increase the budget on ad sets, because I don't touch the working ad sets, so I just let it run. I don't increase budgets, or I don't duplicate with higher budgets. So if you have the budget to spend on Facebook ads, you can do that, but the duplication method is really working. And so let me give you guys the rules you need to follow. So whenever you duplicate the winning ad sets, so these are the exact rules you need to follow. So you can see here, after ads spend $5, it should have 3+ link clicks. So after it spent $10, it should have 1 ad to cart. If it doesn't have any ad to cart, just turn it off. After it spent $15, it should have given you at least 1 sale. If it's not, just don't let it run. Even it has 5 checkout initiated or 3 checkout initiated, just don't cap. Just cut the ad set, because it's not going to perform well. So these are the exact rules you need to follow to make this duplication method work, because without these rules, the duplication method will never work, because you will keep on wasting your money. So this is the exact method I used to take this store from $0 to $100 a day, and now it's making us $100 to $250 in profit every single day. So this is the exact method. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description, and I'll be posting more tips and tricks like this on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and do like this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I'll be answering them. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.